Jim! Jim! Is that you?
Jessica, where are you?
Jim, I'm over here!
Where's over here?
Hello?
Hey, Jessica. Well, it's nice to see you, but what are you doing up there?
Well, I read that this area has the highest population of alligators, so I thought this would be a safe place to wait.
Well, they do estimate about 10 to 13,000 alligators in Lake Jesup, but have I let one get you yet?
Well, you haven't yet, but I never know when you're gonna get tired of me, and I don't want to get turned into Gatorade for you being an instigator, so...
Well, Jess, two things are certain. First, you're much more likely to run into a snake, a lizard, or one of your favorite frog friends. And secondly, alligators don't like fast food because it's too hard to catch.
Jim, don't you leave me here. At least I can run faster than him.
Hi, I'm Jim Duby, and today we're at the Lake Jesup Wilderness Area. This property is about 490 acres located in the floodplain of Lake Jesup. Visitors here can see many species of wildlife. Osprey, like the one that's calling, bald eagles, raccoons, otters, and of course, alligators. If you're ready, let's go check it out.
It's about time you showed up.
I'm glad you could finally catch up with me.
Yeah, well, I only stopped because I saw that and I wasn't sure what it was, so I figured, you know.
That's pretty exciting.
It is an excellent observation.
Yeah. This is a turtle egg.
Aw.
Not sure why it's laying here on the surface because they usually bury their eggs, but what I'm thinking probably is a bird stole it out of a turtle nest while the turtle was laying and then dropped it here.
Aw.
Unfortunately, it's not going to hatch, but nature doesn't waste anything, so something will come along and eat it.
Ah, yes, the circle of life.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, look! These are pretty.
I think that one's called fleabane daisy, but it's really not the main attraction out here.
Oh, what
We have
is?
a lot of wildflowers out here, but in late September, early October, so every fall, the narrow leaf sunflowers bloom out here. And during that time of the year, the whole floodplain is just painted in yellow.
Wow, you know, I've actually seen photos of that and I've really been wanting to come down here. I know that there's a place called Hidden Palms Ranch where they take you out on horses and they'll kind of take you through all of the sunflowers. So maybe that can be our next adventure.
There you go. Meet you back out here late September.
Yeah, on a horse. So I'm noticing a lot of water out here. It's got me thinking about gators.
Well, this canal does lead right out to Lake Jesup.
Okay.
So the lake is about 8,000 acres at normal stage. When it reaches flood stage, it doubles to about 16,000 acres.
Wow.
This dock we're standing on is underwater then.
That's crazy. Wow. And so have any gators been like spotted on the trails out here? Do they like wander?
They follow these little canals up.
Okay. Wait.
Lots of cover to hide in. And just don't drink and go down to the water to drink. You'll be
Okay.
fine.
Well, don't worry about it. I brought my own water, so it's
And you can
filtered.
run faster than me anyway, so they're just
You're
gonna catch
right.
me and you're gonna be fine.
You're very right. So, you know, if you make it out of here, then good luck. What you got there? Oh, I am sorry I asked.
One of your favorites. This is called a greenhouse frog. It's
Okay.
actually one of those non-native species that made its way to Florida, but they're not really considered invasive. They don't really hurt anything. But one of the neat things, he's full grown, he or she, and they live under leaf litter and palm fronds. They don't actually have a free swimming tadpole stage. These just lay their eggs in moist areas.
Wow.
The
okay.
tadpole stage is spent in the egg. So they just hatch out of the egg as a baby frog.
Well, I wish I could say that was cute, but
You want to pet it?
no, absolutely not.
Okay.
Absolutely not. You can let him go back to his little home. Oh my God, of course he's gonna jump at me. Woo!
So we've made it to the levee.
Okay.
I don't know if you remember at Black Bear, they put levees in back in the early 1950s
Yeah.
to try and control the floodwaters. At Black Bear and here, they took sections of the levee out so that the floodwaters could come in and go out. It's important because when the floodwaters come in, all this vegetation helps to clean the water.
Okay. That's really cool.
This is a cool little ground cover plant. Some people actually, in their native plant gardens, plant it as a ground cover. got the neat little pom-poms.
Yeah.
I think it's Mimosa strigillosa is the scientific name.
I like that.
You like that mimosa thing,
Yeah,
right?
I do. Mm-hmm.
The really neat thing is if you touch the leaves, they're sensitive and they close up.
Really? Oh, that's so cool. It's like they're ticklish. That's really cute. I want some. Mimosas.
Okay. Well, we made it.
We did.
We conquered the Lake Jesup Wilderness Area.
Woo.
We're back here at Lake Jesup.
Beautiful.
Unfortunately, it's what they call an imperiled water body. For a lot of years, not knowing I say humans, were dumping some effluent into it, came down the creeks, and it suffered a lot from that. Basically, it's too many nutrients going in, and then that creates muck.
Yeah.
And so it's still suffering to this day. Now, it's improved a great deal. The county and the Water Management District have bought a lot of the floodplain around the perimeter of it. So that helps when the floodwaters come up and helps to clean it out.
Oh, nice. Well, Jim, this has been a great adventure. Another one for the books. You've been a great navigator.
I got you.
Well, I'm hungry,
I
as
am too.
usual, after
Yeah.
all of this. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to our next adventure.
All right. I'll see you next time.
See you later, alligator.